Positibo si BARM Interim Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Macacua na magiging malinis at mapayapa ang magiging halalan sa Maguindanao del Norte at Maguindanao del Sur. Ito'y matapos na isagawa ang Political Candidates Forum at Peace Covenant signing kaninang umaga sa kampo ng 6th Infantry Division.
The impression really is we have to be positive sa nangyari na yun. Kasi what we after is yung malinis na halalan, fair na halalan, yun man lang talagang kailangan natin. So with all this development na nito si Garcia nagawa ito with the commitment of all the candidates na rin, parang ang impression ko is positive naman na mangyayari yung hinahangad natin na malinis at saka peaceful na election.